Hello, my name is Jack. I want to tell you my story. My life was not easy. For many years, I was not happy. I had no friends, no job, and no hope. Every day, I felt sad and tired. I thought, I am not good enough. I cannot do anything right. I woke up late every day. I ate fast food. I did not exercise. My house was messy. I did not care about myself. I stayed in my room and watched TV all day. I did not call my family. I did not talk to anyone. I felt very lonely. One day, everything changed. It was a cold morning. I looked in the mirror. I saw my face. I looked tired and weak. My clothes were old and dirty. I did not like what I saw. I thought, I cannot live like this. I want to change. I wanted a better life. I wanted to be happy. I made a plan. First, I cleaned my house. It was hard work, but I felt good after. My room was clean. My kitchen was clean. I threw away old things. My home felt new. I was proud. Next, I changed my habits. I woke up early. I made my bed. I ate healthy food. I drank water. I walked every day. I felt stronger. My mind felt clear. I read books. I learned new things. I started to smile more. I also called my family. I said, I miss you. My mother was happy. My father was proud. They loved me. I felt warm inside. I knew I was not alone. One day, I wanted to find a job. I was nervous. I thought, I cannot do it. But I tried. I went to a small store. I said, can I work here? The manager smiled. He said, yes, you can. I was so happy. I worked hard every day. I was kind to the customers. I learned many new things. At work, I met new people. I made friends. They were kind and funny. We talked and laughed. We ate lunch together. I felt happy. I was not alone anymore. My life was better. One day, a girl came to the store. She had a bright smile. She said, hello. I said, hello. Her name was Emma. She liked books and music. We talked every day. I liked her very much. She was kind and smart. I wanted to see her more. I asked Emma, do you want to have coffee with me? She said, yes. I was so happy. We drank coffee. We talked for hours. I told her my story. She said, I am proud of you. My heart felt warm. I smiled. We became good friends. We went to the park. We watched movies. We shared our dreams. One day I said, I like you. She smiled and said, I like you too. I was so happy. My heart was full of joy. My friends supported me. They said, you can do anything. I felt strong. I wanted to learn more. I wanted a better job. I worked hard. I saved money. I started a small business. It was not easy, but I did not give up. I believed in myself. Now my life is different. I am happy. I have friends. I have a job. I have a girlfriend. My heart is full. I am proud of myself. I learned something important. Change is not easy, but it is possible. You must believe in yourself. You must take small steps. Every day is a new chance. You can do it. This is my story. If I can change, you can change. Never give up. Believe in yourself. A better life is waiting for you.